Hello friends, I hope you're doing well. And here women's sweet mocha file for Photoshop. I show you here, you see these are PSD file in high resolution 4.15 GB, but don't worry, I will compressed in one part. Okay, so I have already open in Photoshop. You see here in layer area you can change everything, or you can customize everything. Change your image here, color, and change protect color background. Okay, first need a protect image. Depend on your own choice. I tell you, just for example, open this one in this, enter control S for saving, and you see next click on protect color, select protect color, and you see, and here is our background. You can change everything. Okay, here color, all the same file, just to open product file and change color, everything for a demo. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me, take care, Allah Hafiz.